We're a small shop. We're an OEM supplier, so some companies, they just need parts kicked out. And as it just kept growing, it was just more of like, man, we need to get our own machine. And CAMWorks was a big part of our success too.
I've been working with Patrick for quite a few years now, and my job was to help him out with CAMWorks training and post-processor support. CAMWorks has allowed our operations to evolve and improve over the years. I really think the biggest thing is because it's SOLIDWORks. It allows us to keep our assemblies much more organized. We're able to use the same database of components like you would in a standalone CAM system.
It's pretty seamless as far as it goes. You design your part, you move it over to your CAM system, which is integrated. Go right to the machine, manufacture your parts, and you'll have a component ready for you.
Some of the examples that significantly helped us were with rev changes. Revision changes is the biggest thing that just kills CNC programmers. But in CAMWorks, we just save out the toolpath data, remade up a new model in SOLIDWORKS, make a few adjustments, and fly.
Moving from SOLIDWORKS CAM to CAMWorks side, it's nice as you move up the tiers. You got the TechDB, and the TechDB holds all your data and information for the components that you make. All that information can be moved on to the next tier, and eventually we needed to step into the 3D world, so we started in with CAMWorks Mill Pro, and then moved on from Mill Pro to the premium seat. And as we just kept growing, it's just the parts just got more complex, harder to do, and we kept all our data for our old parts that we do for a lot of customers, and we had more power.
I would take a look at moving to CAMWorks for your CNC programming. It offers a great package that's integrated right within SOLIDWORKS, so you can do your CAD and CAM all in the same interface. It's great.